And to respond that questions, you can say, just fine, just fine. Welcome to speaking class, part 1. In this part, we are gonna learn about phrases that you can use to ask and respond, how are you in English. The first common questions that you can say is, how's life? How's life? And to respond that questions, you can say, just fine, just fine. Or, I feel great, I feel great. Or, you can respond, much better, much better. Another common questions that you can say is, how's it going? How's it going? And to respond that questions, you can say, not bad, not bad. Or, you can only say, good, good. And if you're not feeling good, you can say, not well, not well. Or, not great, not great.